So why am I interested in using LLMs for comedy writing? Well, AI is basically already doing a parody of being a human being. And so why not kind of test case or showcase how we could actually write a parody with AI about AI. So this is going to be an exercise. I'm going to use you guys a little bit to show you how I use AI when actually comedy writing. Okay, so I figured a relatable example that we could all start with is what could be a good Shark Tank pitch for a modern AI startup that includes all of the terrible buzzwords we're all used to with modern AI startups, where we're actually going to use AI to be our research assistant for this exercise. Okay, but what's interesting about AI is that LLMs in some ways are just like collective intelligence. And what do we have in this room? A lot of intelligence collected. So before I go to AI, I'm actually gonna ask you guys, what are some we're gonna write this together, quick parody Shark Tank pitch. What are some modern AI stereotypes? Stuff like, we're the Uber of whatever, or disruption. So just shout out, what are some like terrible buzzwords and phrases you guys hear? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT and my favorite engine, which of course is Granite, what buzzwords it might come up with. So let's do new chat. Okay, so what Granite says: disrupt, that's a classic. Synergize, leverage, love it. Okay, disrupt, synergize. What else did it give us? Game changer. Oh my God, I love it. Have never heard torso before, not gonna lie. Okay, love it. All right, next up, let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Full stack intelligence, agentic, nice. So a lot of overlap. We definitely got to include sass. Everything is everyone's a sass hole these days. So we got to include sass. Let's see, token, hyper personalized, love it. Reinventing productivity. These are great. Emotionally resident. Oh my God, these are so good. There's too many. Decentralized. We got to get Web3 in here, I think. So like, by the way, nobody suggested Web3, but this is how creativity works. Is like, I'm reading all this stuff and it's making me think about, wait, decentralized, that makes me think of Web3. So unlike a lot of other comedy writers, I really appreciate the way, even when AI isn't perfect, it's making me think about stuff like any good collaborative partner. All right, pre-revenue, post-truth.
Yeah, we totally missed out on robots. And
oh my God, we're getting lots of feedback from the peanut gallery. I love the enthusiasm. Okay, it's the Uber of synthetic cognition. That's great. Okay, what else we got? Vibe-aligned intelligence infrastructure. Love it. And then let's finally go with future-proof. Love it. And then let's ask AI, what are some Shark Tank pitch cliches? What does it say there? And so one we know is like, hi sharks is usually how they introduce themselves. What if I told you? Love it. Love it. We're not just a product, we're a lifestyle. That's pretty great. We're not just a product. Okay, what else we got? We're currently pre-revenue, love it. We just need help scaling. Let's see. Oh God, I cashed in my 401k and sold my house. That's pretty good. What else do we got? We're a husband and wife team. I'm a firefighter / teacher / mom / former NFL player. Love it. Okay, these are pretty good. This is your chance to get in early. All right, great. So now we have all of the components of a pretty good pitch. So when we actually think about what this could look like, it might be something like, hi sharks, what if I told you that we are the game-changing, agentic, pre-revenue vibe coding, chain of thought, hallucination eliminating, disruptive social intelligence. Woo! I am a firefighter slash housewife slash husband and wife team combined, and I double mortgaged my children's college fund in order to be here today. We are here to synergize our full stack intelligence SaaS to a decentralized Web3. Now, what does that mean? I can't tell you because we're in stealth mode. But we're pre-revenue, and I just want to say we're not just a product, we're a lifestyle. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. So, and then of course we have to await the final decision. They invest. Like so many pre-revenue things these days.